So I was out here this morning picking a couple Hungarian wax peppers to put with my sandwich for breakfast, and I just thought, why not give some free game? What's better than getting a good deal on some good quality food? Well, the answer to that is getting good quality food for free. Is that a thing? Yes, of course it's a thing. So right here is a Hungarian wax pepper. Let's go open that up. There's a ton of seeds in there. Just gonna drop a bunch of little seeds over here. Sprinkle them around. This thing got a little kick to it too. And these are a 60-day crop. So in August, I'll have more of these coming up, and I'll harvest them and collect the seeds for the next growing season. So you'll continue to have way more seeds than you'll actually need, and food is free and quality. For me, I like knowing what's in my food. I don't like being subject to whatever chemicals Big Ag wants to put in the crops. So cover those up with some soil.